Good morning, students. My name is Dipali Arun Gavi, Government B.Ed College of Akola. We have learning in second year. So in this second year, there is a third semester. We have a practical named internship. So in this, due to internship, we have take my online internship on your school named New English High School Akola. So in this New English High School Akola, today we have teach on the fifth standard. So in this fifth standard, we have learned the subject English subject. So English is very easy, interesting, and I hope you all love this subject, English. So in this English subject, today we have learned a poem. So that is very interesting poem. We surely say all the peoples know it, all the students know it very well. So here, before learn the poem, we have asked some questions to you, and you must be answer this. You must be answer these questions. So, firstly, say me, student, what type of sound that the cat makes? Kundan, say me, what types of sound the cat makes?
Meow. Meow.
Yes, the cat says meow, meow. And what types of sound that the dog says?
Boo. Boo.
Boo, boo. Okay, so that types of sound made by dog. Can you say the sound of sheep? Okay, it is called, say that meh. Okay, and what types of sound that the cock or hen says? Okay, it is a cock, cock, cock. That types of sound that is says. So, students, in today's topic we have says, the poem says, I say, I speak and I talk. Means here a poet says that humans can speak, humans can say, and humans can talk. So here the poem name is I speak, I say, and I talk. Because all types of animals have make their different sounds, and but the humans can say, can talk, can speak. So today, student, we have learned the very interesting and very easy poem named I speak, I say, I talk. Okay, so firstly, student, here I read the poem and you must follow it. Okay, here are in the unit number 4, there is a poem named I speak, I say, I talk. So you must follow it. Cat purrs, lions roar.
Cat purrs, lion roar.
Owls hoot,
Owls hoot.
bear snore.
Bear snore.
Cricket squeaks,
Crickets squeak.
mice squeak,
Mice sing.
sheep's baba.
Seeds baba.
But I speak.
But I speak.
Monkey chatter,
Monkey chatter.
cows moo,
Cows moo.
ducks quack,
Ducks quack.
pigeon coo,
Pigeon coo.
pig squealer,
Pig squealer.
horse sneeze,
Horse sneeze.
chicken's cluck.
Chicken's cluck.
But I say,
But I say.
flies hum,
Flies hum.
dogs growl,
Dogs growl.
bat screech,
Bat screech.
wolves howl,
Wolf howl.
frogs croak,
Frogs croak.
parrots quack,
Parrots quack.
bees buzz,
Bees buzz.
but I talk.
But I talk.
So here the poem that cat purrs, lion roars, cat purrs, lion roars, owl hoot and bear snore. Cricket clicks, mice quack, sheep's baa, but I speak. Cricket clicks, mice quick, sheep's baa, but I speak. Monkey chatter, cows moo, pigeons peck and pigeons coo. Pigs squaggle, horses neigh, chicken clack, but I say. Flies hum, dogs crawl, bats squeak, wolves howl, frogs quack, parrots quack, bees buzz, but I talk. So, in this poem, you can see, student, on your textbook, there are a lot of animals or some birds are right down here, and here says what makes sound by this animal. So we always know the sound of cat is meow meow, but that sound says it is purr, and the lion says ah, but it is called as roars. The sound that he makes, it is called as roar. Same as humans can speak, we can speak with you, okay, but the animals can speak, he can make their sound, but we cannot understand it. It has a different language, it has a different word, it make a different sound. So each animal have specific his different sound, his different words. It is called as that cats purr, lion roar, owls hoot, and bear snore. So here, student, here are some animals name, and also there are some rhyming words. So here we write down some rhyming words as well as which types of animals or birds are here. We make firstly the whiteboard into halves. Okay. First here we write down a rhyming word. Rhyming words means the words that have, some words have a same ending words, same ending alphabet. It is not compulsory that all the words have same ending alphabet, but the sound, the pronunciation are the same, like a cat, bat, mat, hat, fan, man, can. So here an, at, like a same ending alphabets. So the word that have a same ending alphabets or same pronunciation, ending pronunciation, it is called as a rhyming word. So in this poem there are some rhyming words. First one is roar. Okay, and the rhyming word for this roar, that is a snore. Okay, so here are not a same ending alphabets, but the pronunciation is roar, snore. So it is a rhyming word. Number 2, here also some words also described in the poem. So here we write down some animals' names that we use in this poem. Here we write down animals, and there we write down some rhyming words. So first here a cat. Number 2, just keep quiet. And number 2, lion. Number 3, that is owl. Number 4, there is bear. Okay, bear, deer, it is also a rhyming word. Number 5, here cricket. Do you know cricket? Cricket means it is not a game that we have. Mice, it is a plural form of mouse. Mouse means single, and there are a lot of, it is called as mice. So mice, it is a plural form of mouse. mouse, mice, cat, cats, cricket, crickets. So here we ask you cricket. What is a cricket? So cricket, it is not game that we play with the help of bat, ball, stump, then umpires, 11 players. That is a cricket game. But cricket, it is name of an animal. You can, when we are going to a forest or in the thing that no one can live there. So in this area we have say in the night some small insect sound like kirr, kirr, kirr. So that types of sound are made by crickets. The sound made by crickets, it is a kir kir sound, and we can heard it at the night. It is called as cricket. Here we write down, it is not a mice, singular plural form. Here we write down a singular form of mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Then here a number 7 numbers animal are sheep. You have heard the poem Baba Black Sheep. Do you know the poem? Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Okay, so in this poem there is a Baba Black Sheep. Means Baba, it is a sound of sheep. Okay, so which type of sound that sheep makes? It is ba ba. Okay, Baba, it is a sound of sheep. Then cat sound, it is meow meow. But it is called as poor, roar, hoots and snore. That is the sound. Again, we have seen the first rhyming word, that is R-O-A-R, roar, and S-N-O-R-E, snore. Again, in the poem there we can see a second rhyming word, that is speak and speak. Yes, Q-U-E-A-K, quick, and the human that speak. S-P-E-A-K, speak. That we have say. And yes, Q-U-E-A-K, speak. Means it is the sound of mouse or lot of mouse. It is a plural form. Means many, one, many, singular, plural. Do you know that singular and plural? It is a quick, speak. So in the first stanza there are say a cat purrs, lion roars. Cat purrs, lion roars, owls hoot and bears snore. Cricket crick, mice squeak, sheep's bark, but I speak. So quick and speak are the rhyming word. In a second stanza, there says monkeys chatter. Means the sound that the monkeys made, it is called as chatter. Monkeys chatter, cows moo, moo moo, ducks quack quack quack. The sound that make of quack quack quack. And the pigeon coo coo coo. That types of sound made by pigeons. So pigeon coo coo and cows moo moo. So coo and moo are the rhyming word. And double O moo, that the sound made by cows, and C double O coo, that the sound made by pigeon. So it is moo and coo. Then pigs squeal, pig squeal, horses neigh, chickens cluck cluck cluck, but I say. So it the sound of horse neigh and the sound that we say neigh. There is a spelling is different, but pronunciation is it rhyming. Number 4, the rhyming word that is neigh. Neigh. It is called as neigh. And say. Say. We have read a rhyming words again, that is roar. 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 And snore. Snore. Roar. Snore. Roar. Snore. Then the sound, it is squeak. Squeak. And it is speak. 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 Then the sound made by cows, it is MOO. Moo. And the make of pigeon, that is coo. Moo. Coo. Coo. Moo. Then the sound that is made by horse, it is called as neigh. Neigh. It is neigh. And that we say. 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 Neigh. Say. Say. Neigh. Here are again a lot of animals are also write down in the second stanza. That the animal that we describe in the second stanza, that is monkey. 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 Number then है COW cow. DUCK duck. Then PIGEONS pigeons. Then है pig. PIG pig. Then HORSE horse. And chicken. Chicken means then है chicken. What do you mean by chicken? Chicken is not a non-veg that we eat. हम जो the non-veg that we eat, it is made by a cock. It is not a chicken. Chicken means a baby of cock or hen. A baby of cock or hen, it is called as chicken. So here the sound of chicken, that is quack quack quack, or the sound of chickens is cluck 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 cluck. Okay. Chicken, horse, pig, pigeon, duck, cow, monkey, and cat, lion, owl, bear, cricket, mouse, and sheep. So here are a lot of animals are described here. Now student, we have seen the last stanza of this poem, that is a fly's hum. Flies hum. Flies means a small insect that can flies. Flies hum. Dogs growl. Dog growl. Bats trips. And wolves howl. Frogs croak. Parrots quack. Bees buzz. But I talk. So firstly here say a flies. Flies means the house fly or a dragonfly, a small animals, a small insects. It is called as fly. So here write down a plural form, that is flies. FLIES flies. Flies hum. Dogs growl. Bats prick. Do you know the bat? Bat is the only mammal that can fly. So it is very important. The animal name is bat. Bats means that is not we played up with the ball. It is not a bat. BAT bat. It is also name of an animal that hang herself on a tree. It is called as, Mohini, sit down here properly. It is called as a bat. So bat, it is the only mammal that can fly, because any others animals or any others bird lay their eggs, but the bat give birth to their babies. So it is called as bat. It is the only mammal that can fly. So the bat, the sound that bat says, it is screech, 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 and wolf howl. Then frog croak, parrot big word. Dogs, that is grog. And next it is wolf, owl. HOWL. So OWL here are a same alphabet, so it is called as a rhyming word. Number 6, that is parrot. SQUAWK. Quack. And TALK, talk. TALK, talk. Quack. Okay, here are again a 2 rhyming words. So in this poem there are a lot of rhyming words and also lot of birds name. Then bat, then dog, then flies, then wolf, then frog, 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 then parrot, and the last, that is bee. Do you know the bee? Honey bee or any other bees. Okay, so there are many animals names are say in this poem, that is cat, lion, owl, bear, cricket, mouse, sheep, monkey, cow, duck, pigeon, pig, horse, chicken, bat, dog, fly, wolf, frog, parrot, and the last, that is bee. Same as here are some rhyming words, that is roar, snore, squeak, speak, moo, coo, neigh, say, crawl, haul, squeak, talk. So that's are the rhyming words. So here student, lastly we have read the poem and you listen it carefully. Cats purrs, lion roars.
Cats, poor lions roar.
Cat purrs, lions roars. Owl hoot and bear snore. Cricket creaks, mice quack. Sheep bark, but I speak. Cricket creaks, mice quack. Sheep bark, but I speak. Monkey chatter, cows moo. Ducks quack, pigeon coo. Pigs squeakle, horse neigh. Chickens cluck, but I say. Flies hum, dogs crawl. Bats screech, wolves howl. Parrots squawk, bees buzz, but I stop. Flies hum, dogs growl. Bats screech, wolves howl. Frogs croak, parrot cock. Bees buzz, but I talk. So that is the poem. So I hope students you understand the poem betterly. So here I have erased all of the words that I have write down or note down on the board, and then I will ask some questions to you. Okay, and you must give answer of these questions. Okay, so here a poem. Then I will erase it. Okay, so students, now tell me which kind of sound that the lion says.
Roar.
Roar. Very good. The lion says roar. Then now tell me what types of sound that the pigeon says.
Coo.
Coo. Coo. That types of sound make pigeon. Okay, at the last now tell me which type of sound that the owl says. The sound of that hoots. The sound that made by owls, it is called as hoot. Very good. Now students, I hope that today we have learned the very interesting poem named I Speak, I Say, I Talk. So I hope students you like, enjoy and understand the poem. Okay. At the last student, here we write down a homework for you. You mention it in your notebook and tomorrow you must be show it me. Here student, we have give some rhyming words for you. Write down the assignment. That is the assignment for you. Okay. Write down the question. Write down rhyming words. Okay. The first word, that is write down cat. And here we write down some rhyming words of cat. Second number, that we write down some rhyming words of man. Then ROSC, rose. Number 4, that is PEN, pain. Then number 5, write down a rhyming word of head. And number 6, the last rhyming words, write down GATE, gate. Okay, so that is the sentence cat, man, rose, pen, head and gate. There are 6 words for you and you have write down it on your notebook, the rhyming words of that words. Okay, so I hope students you better understand today's poem. Okay, so we have meet it tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much.